do some underlining. Identify, underline the correct preposition. I'll give you few sentences. You will identify and you will underline the correct prepositions in the sentences that I will give you. Underline. Underline the correct prepositions. In these sentences. So you're going to identify and then we are going to underline. Okay. Now here are the sentences. First one. I left my suitcase at the station. I left my suitcase at the station. Next. The train is on time. Are you going to? Are you going to compete? Are you going to compete for the prize? This book is full of mistakes. His character is different. His character is different. Different from yours. Are you familiar? Are you familiar? Are you familiar with her? He parted with his children. He parted with his children with tears. She does not. She does not care. Not care. She does not care for anyone. Anyone. He complained. He complained. He complained to me. He complained to me about the headmaster. He complained to me about the headmaster. Now, I've got here 9 sentences and we are supposed to underline the correct preposition in these sentences. And the first sentence is, I left my suitcase at the station. At. I left my suitcase at. That's the first preposition. The train is on time. On. Very good. The train is on time. Next one. Are you going to compete for the prize? For. Are you going to compete for the prize? Yes, for. This book is full of mistakes. His character is different from yours. From. His character is different from yours. Are you familiar with her? Very good. Are you familiar with her? He parted with his children with tears. Or you can say, he parted with his children in tears. You can say with, you can also say in tears. Okay. Now, which are the prepositions here? He parted. He parted with his children. Okay? He parted with his children in tears. In. So we have 2 prepositions over there. She does not care for anyone. She does not care for anyone. He complained to. The first preposition here is to. Me about. To and about. So we have here underline the correct prepositions in these 9 sentences. I left my suitcase station. The train is on time. Are you going to compete for the prize? This book is full of mistakes. His character is different from yours. Are you familiar with her? With. He parted with children in tears. She does not care for anyone. He complained to me about the headmaster. So we have underlined the correct prepositions at, on, for, of, from, with, in, for, to, with, and about. So inserting, circling, underlining. So now, having done all these exercises, I am sure you have mastered the prepositions.